Hey, welcome to Robin's house. I hope that was enough time to wait. So I'm working on my balloon festoon card workshop. And almost every card is a fun fold card, but this is a really simple and striking fun fold card. One, because, well, most cards stand on their own, but I like this version. So here you can see it ready to go into the envelope. And on the back side, just a little quick stamp place where you can put your message. I wanted to just quickly show you how to create your own folded card. So I've got my trimmer, and here is the cheat sheet. So if you wanted to, you could put your cardstock. So I like to cheat. I like to do 2 cards at one time if I possibly can, because that is always better. So you can decide if you want to go 2 1/8, 1 1/4, 2 1/2, 1 1/4, 2 1/8, or if you want to go 2 1/8 and score, move to 3 3/8 and score, move to 5 7/8 and score, 7 1/8 and score. And then our last one is 9 1/4. And that one you're going to cut. So you'll take a cutting blade, and then what you'll do is you'll turn your paper over, cut it at 5 1/2, cut it again at 5 1/2. And now you have 2 card bases that you can quickly fold, and they're ready to go. So how easy was that? I love doing that. So here's the cheat sheet, the whole way you can see it, the card, and the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.